Stop scrolling. If your business is posting on social media every week and still not making sales, this video might make you uncomfortable. Because social media is not broken, your strategy is. Every day I see businesses posting quotes, reels, trends, behind-the-scenes content, and wondering why nothing converts. Let me show you exactly why this happens and how the brands winning in 2026 are fixing it. We run a creative agency that manages social media for brands that want growth, not vanity metrics. And here's the truth most agencies won't say out loud. Posting consistently means nothing if your content is not engineered to sell. Most businesses make one massive mistake. They create content for people who are already convinced. But the internet is full of strangers, people who don't know you, don't trust you, and don't even know they need you yet. So your content gets views but no action. Winning brands build content in 3 layers. Layer 1, attention. Scroll-stopping content that earns the right to be watched. Layer 2, belief. Content that educates, reframes problems, and builds trust. Layer 3, conversion. Clear offers, clear next steps, zero confusion. If your content is missing one of these, you are bleeding money. This is why just posting more never works, because strategy beats effort every single time. You don't need more content, you need better decisions behind your content. When clients work with us, we do not guess. We audit, we map buyer psychology, we design content systems, and we turn social media into a predictable growth channel. No fluff, no trends for the sake of trends. Just content that moves people to act. We've helped brands go from posting randomly to attracting qualified leads without increasing ad spend and without burning out their teams. Because clarity compounds. If you are serious about turning social media into revenue, we offer a free strategy review. No pitch, no pressure, just clear feedback on what's holding your content back and how to fix it. Click the link, book the call. Let's build something that actually works. Social media should be your loudest salesperson, not your most expensive hobby. Get started with SKA today. Your strategy starts here.